Best Bluetooth earphones. Are you searching for good quality earphones? This is so confusing to decide which to buy, right? And it's quite impossible to choose which is best for you. Well, here we are with our new video in which we'll be discussing the best Bluetooth earphones for you guys. Hello everyone and welcome to the Product Review Hub. Stay with us till the end of the video so you don't miss out on any of the information. But before we proceed, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon so you don't miss any of our wonderful videos in the future. And let's dive in. First we have the Rockerz 255 Sports. Best for the sportsman who works out every day, the look and feel are solid. It's made of premium metal and a comfortable fit. The cables are flexible, strong, and robust. The ear tip's comfortable and fits well in your ear. The aesthetics are superb. And then comes the feature that is provided in it. The connectivity's with Bluetooth 4.1 with the Qualcomm CSR 8635 chipset. This makes functioning easy and hassle-free. Next up is to make it sweat and water resistant, and it has the IPX5 certification. The sound quality is exceptional and it has extra bass. With this, it has a CVC noise cancellation that provides good quality voice calls. So if you want the best with good looks and if you're a sportsman, you can go for this one undoubtedly. Furthermore, the battery life of these bands is 6 hours. It also supports fast charging with 45 minutes of playback time with 15 minutes of charge. And one surprising thing, it has dual connectivity. Last but not least, it comes with a 1-year warranty. Next, we have the OnePlus Bullet. Best for the one who wants to have a durable branded pair of earphones with a comfortable fit. OnePlus is capturing the mobile market gradually with its innovative and exceptional products. Along with the superb design and best fit, it has IP55 certification that makes it sweat and water resistant in rain and around water. For connectivity, it has the latest Bluetooth version 5. Bullet Z is a wireless band earphone that is built from plastic with a comfortable rubber-sized body that is easy and flawless to carry around the neck. To control the volume and play pause, there is a control panel on the left side. The earbuds have a magnet in them that snaps together when not in use, which makes them worth buying. Bullet Z is packed with wrap charge technology that provides fast charging. To charge the band, it is a Type-C USB port, and this also runs the battery for 20 hours and 10 minutes of charge, giving 10 hours of playback. That is massively fast. For easy use, it has features like quick switch, quick pair, and magnetic control. Low latency mode gives you a real-time audio experience, and the range is above 10 meters, which lets you move freely with earphones on. Lastly, you can choose from Viv color options that have been provided. So if you're wanting a long-lasting battery earphone, you can go for it. Up next, we have the Bolt Audio Pro Bass Curve. For the user who wants solid earphones for entertainment and music, Bolt Audio Pro Bass Curve has a plastic design with a band and wired earbuds. The design is curvy to fit around your neck properly and fit perfectly. The ear tips are at a 60-degree angle that sits in the ear perfectly. There are vivid and bright colors available. Furthermore, for clarity of calls, it is an inbuilt mic. These earphones are IPX5 certified, which makes them water and sweat resistant. Additionally, it has noise isolation to cancel outside disturbances. It is powered by Qualcomm CSR 8635 Bluetooth chip, and it has an extra bass feature for good sound quality. For long playback time, it has 12 hours of battery life with a charging time of 2 hours. Bolt Audio Pro Bass Curve wireless neckband earphones with 12-hour battery life and latest Bluetooth 5.0, IPX5 sweat-proof headphones with mic is another feather in its product's cap. All in all, with all the features provided in this compact piece, it's a good deal for users. Up next, we have the Ptron Basebuds Lite V2. For the youngsters who want sleek and lightweight design, it has a wide range of products. Its latest Petron Basebuds Lite V2 in-ear true wireless Bluetooth 5.0 headphones have some very interesting features. Firstly, they are truly wireless earphones. The design's light and attractive. It has various colors to choose from. It has the latest Bluetooth 5.0 for connectivity. For a good music experience, the battery lives for 6 hours. Playback time and up to 20 hours with a charging case, and the charging time is 1.5 hours. Furthermore, it has hi-fi stereo sound that provides clean and distortion-free bass. It has fast pairing and quick connection with a range of 10 meters. Lastly, it has 1 year of warranty. The latest Ptron Basebuds Lite V2 earphones are one of the best earphones with the longest playback time that allows you to enjoy your time without any discomfort or battery loss. If you want a comfortable one, this is the best one for you. Up next, it's the Sony WI-XB400. For the users who want the overall best earphones with a decent look and excellent sound, the Sony WI-XB400 earbuds have beautiful and eye-catching designs. It comes with a rubberized case with a copper lid that is exceptional in feel. There's a Type-C USB charging port to charge the earbuds. These are Bluetooth earphones, but to add to their features and for ease of use, they also compare with NFC-enabled phones. For effortless control of earbuds, touch controls are accessible to both earbuds. This makes access flawless. Sony's earbuds are loaded with fascinating and mesmeric features. The most talked about is the noise cancellation technology, which vibes digital noise cancellation. Next up is the battery life, which provides 15 hours of battery life with up to 3 full charges from the case that lasts for 24 hours. With this, it has fast charging, providing 60 minutes of playback with 10 minutes of charging. To control earbuds easily, you have to have a Sony Headphones Connect app. This also lets you customize touch controls through the app. Well, with all these features, there is something that's letting it down, like the charging case is bulky to carry everywhere. It has no IP rating, that is, it's not water or sweat resistant. Though it has a good build and perfect fit, it's not suitable for sports. Sony WI-XB400 is a soft, flexible, and lightweight, comfortable neckband design that's comfortable for all-day wearing. Earbud has a built-in magnet for tangle-free carrying. For connectivity, it has Bluetooth 5.0. For easy operation, it has buttons to control the music and a clear sound on a call with an inbuilt mic on it. The Ptron Tangent Lite. For those who want a low-budget pair of earphones with all good features, Ptron Tangent Lite Bluetooth 5.0 wireless headphones are Bluetooth earphones with a neckband and wired earbuds. The looks are simple and beautiful. There are 4 color variants available, and it has a lightweight design. Further, for connectivity, it has Bluetooth 5.0. For the good sound quality, it has hi-fi sound and high bass. And to control the music and easy calling, it has an inline remote control. These earbuds are also compatible with voice assistants. When not in use, they can rest well as they are magnetic earbuds. The ear tips are sweat-proof, and it also has passive noise cancellation. Last but not least, the battery life is 6 hours of music and talk time with 1.5 hours charging time. The Petron Tangent Lite is designed such that you can wear it around your neck like a neckband, which diminishes the weight on your ears and shields them from hanging without tangling when not in your ears. It guarantees you a quicker connection and switching along with a long playback time. If you want good quality with a low budget, here it is. And here we are with more information of some valuable earphones for you, with good quality, entertaining good looks, lightweight, and perfectly made just for you. We hope you guys liked our video, and that's going to do it for today. If you did like our video, please make sure you click the like button and share it with all your friends and family. And if you have any questions or comments for us, please share them with us in the comment space below. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, where you'll see even more of our incredible videos. You can also make sure to check out our other videos that have been specially selected just for you. Hey, thanks for watching, and we'll catch up in our next video.